Gunit na sila.
My grandma just finished her brushing her teeth. And after that, my bird has already a toothbrush too. Kukong, the question is if you don't have any tooth, right? You only have tongue and beak, Kukong. Stop it now, Kukong. Give me that one. Give me. Give me. Give me, please. Give
Ang
me.
tungod na dito oy sa tubig nga akong
Come here na. Come na, Kukong. No, no, no. Give na, mommy, please. Kay kinsaning toothbrush na biktima sa akong anak. Come na, Kukong.
This adi
Good
na.
girl. Good girl man yan ang baby. Good girl. Wow! Good girl. Very good. Very good.
Ay, yan,
Guba
gihulbot na dito.
Come. Come na. Up.
Yulbot na niya di ay
Up,
dito.
up na. Up. Come here.
Kani
Up
mo
na.
ba ya di ay ni.
Good girl.
Bayan na,
Kuniho ka? Are you a bird?
Oh, di yang gitabot dito pod.
Yes. Good girl. Thank you, Kuku. Thank you, mommy.